how to sign in to Samsung account on Samsung phone. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on the sign in to your Galaxy at the top here. And then we can sign in with email or phone number. So tap on that. Now put in the account details and then tap on next. Now put in the account password. Then tap on the sign in button. Then tap on accept and agreed. Here I will tap on not now for recovery number. And that's it. Once you sign in, it will sign into Samsung Cloud. So you have access to Galaxy AI, Samsung Cloud, Galaxy Sharing, Samsung Pass, Samsung Find, etc. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.